Hey guys, this is my vending machine. I'm gonna buy some stuff from it, and just to show you how cool it is. You see, I got some chips, I got some anime stickers, some plushies, some manga, even some video games in here. Even a Raspberry Pi computer, a Diet Coke, and a CD of Great Big Sea, and some chocolate bars. So let's get started. Let's buy some. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna buy Tales of Exilia. Let's try that out. C6. Let's see. $1. What a fucking steal, buddy. Oh yeah. Got $1 here. All right. C6. Son of a bitch! Oh, cool. Alright, it's Uncharted. I played that game before. What else I want here? You know what? I'm gonna get some Shield Hero here. How much is that? C4. $1. Woo! Let's load this baby up. Alright, some C4. C4. Damn it. Shit. Well, that's a problem. For Fox Lake. Can't believe this. Well, maybe I'll be lucky and I'll get $2. C4. Well, that's not good. Fuck, maybe I can knock it down with the chip up here. How much is that? $1. Holy fuck, that's expensive. I swear I bought a bunch of those for like, $5. Oh, whatever. If it's gonna knock down my book. A4. Come on, knock down my book, please. God damn it. Well, I mean, I got one more $1. I could buy something with that. Let's get some cue holder. Let's get that. Yeah, let's get that. All right. Let's see, C2. Oh, you fucking kidding me? What a ripoff. Earthquake! Come on. Woo! Oh! Almost so close. Ugh. Earthquake! I'm gonna get it. Come on, Raftalia. Oh shit. Maybe I shouldn't do that. Not a good idea. Oh fuck, I broke that. I just want ya. Come on, Raftalia. Woo! Well, I guess I'm out of money for now, so I guess I'll come back and vend again sometime soon. This is Skull Taco signing out.